Dangerous. We're living dangerously. You guys. It is day 8. And today is the first day that I actually feel normal. I woke up, I didn't feel no type of way. I did take my CBD tea last night. I think I kind of let some of it wear off first before I fully got to experience a great night's rest, but it was much better than the night before, so I'm still very thankful of that. Today I woke up, I didn't feel hungry, I didn't feel lethargic or tired or anything. I just felt like, ooh, it's a new day, I'm up. Now, I had to make a quick errand before I had any time to make my tea. So I just grabbed like a Crystal Geyser, like regular water bottle, and just chugged that as I was driving there. And like, I'm not getting like lightheaded getting up, none of that. And the most beautiful thing that's happening, I guess, is the fact that like I feel like as of last night, I've gotten serious mental, spiritual clarity. And now I feel like I'm more excited just to finish 30 days. I feel like I passed the worst part of it all, and now I'm just excited to continue. So what I'm doing right now is I'm about to start making my herbal tea for the morning. Today, I'm going to be making a burdock root and a raspberry and sea hot herb tea. And I think I'm gonna skip out on the ginger today, and I'm just gonna add key lime in it. And I'm about to take all my vitamins. So the only vitamins that I'm taking now that I finished my chelation is the 102 minerals, the lymphalin, the bioferro, the green food, and the uterine support. And I just feel like I'm feeling good. So I forgot to do a weigh-in before I drank water, but maybe I should just do it anyways because maybe somebody wants to know. I do feel like you could kind of see my face has slimmed down a bit. Not that I want that, but whatever. Please do not pay attention to my toes. I'm weighing in at 132, and that's obviously after consuming water, so you know that makes you a little bit heavier. But it's like a different 132 because I feel like I look skinnier than what I look like when I'm 127. It's weird. And I'm talking about like 127 when I'm actually like working out and eating right. So it's holding a little bit different. But that's my morning update so far. Obviously, I'm still trying to keep my energy to a minimum, but your girl might actually do yoga today. And I already did my morning meditation. I did another bed meditation, but I'm thinking I might have energy for yoga. I do have a lot to do today, so let me not jump too far ahead. Yeah, let me get my errands done first, and then I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna do yoga. Okay, disregard my hair. Woo, don't say nothing. So it's the end of day 8, and you guys, I had another bowel movement today. And I also, hey, what, you don't want me to tell this information? Exactly. And it almost seems like I have a little bit in me right now.
Yeah.
So, why? This is...
No, nobody cares that much.
Okay.
As a person who watches vlogs, nope.
All right,
But
so...
the bowel movement can say that have a little bit in me.
Well, okay, it seems I'm gonna have a second bowel movement today.
No!
Anyways, so for the most part, it's been good. I had a glass of coconut water. I had to go to the store and crack 2 more coconuts because one I had to throw away. So me and my sister had like 1 coconut each, and it did amazing things. And now, I forgot to make my weed tea. I mean my CBD tea. So I guess I'll just be going to sleep, hopefully on my own. And that's it. I got nothing else for y'all. You got something? No, she ain't got nothing. I'm so sorry I did not have any updates today. Today was a crazy day for me. I pretty much had energy all day. I didn't feel lightheaded or sick or nauseous today. Had a bowel movement. I hate saying that, it's such TMI, but I know somebody cares. Right now I'm super tired. It's about to be 11 o'clock. For the first time I actually feel kind of like hungry. Like I don't feel hungry, but my stomach feels empty. But it's just so late that I don't want to drink any water because I don't want to have to get up in the middle of the night to use the restroom. So yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna call it a night early. I don't really have any major updates. My skin's looking really great. My tongue isn't like white like it was. My underarms still are back to normal. And that's pretty much it. I'm sorry, I wish I had more updates, but I don't. I'm really tired, so I'm gonna get to bed. But I can't believe tomorrow's day 10. I'm a third way there, so I got this. I didn't get to vlog yesterday, but today and yesterday have pretty much been the same. So I haven't really been hungry all day. As you guys can see, I got semi-dressed today. It's the end of the day now. But honestly, with coconut water, I feel like I get through the days so easy now. I'm not actually really hungry, but today I found myself thinking about food a lot. Yesterday, I remember towards like maybe 9 o'clock, I had like this empty stomach feeling. Like I wanted food, but like the actual sensation to eat was not there. And then today it was just really easy. Like I barely drank water. I'm like actually really behind in water intake just because I just didn't want anything today. So I'm gonna try to drink some more water now before I get in the shower. And yeah, I don't really have any major update. I know this is TMI, but bowel movements are like very minimal at this point, and I'm like literally over a third way there now, which is wild. So I'm excited. Almost a little, wait, I got like 2 weeks left. I got this. Chump change.